Hi, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import data from Excel to SPSS, but you will stuck with a problem that is whenever you import the data into SPSS from Excel directly, the variables, especially the categorical variables, will be converted into string case. So in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss this important data cleaning issue. Don't go anywhere. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Don't miss the video till the end. Let's go to the video.
So let's begin with the data analysis tutorial. First of all, we're gonna open the data in SPSS. The data is somewhere in a folder that is here. You can't see the Excel file. For that, what you do is basically you need to click here and then select all files. When you do it, then you can see the post control experiment survey responses. This is the data. Open it. Just click open and it will say read variable names from the first row. Yes, we need that. Just press OK. Now the data is open here. This is the post data. When you check the variable list, here you can see that all are strings. The first thing, this is basically Q1. You have written it Q1 in your previous data, so I'm going to do the same way. Q2, Q3, Q7 and Q8. Alright, so these all are string variables, but what we need is basically we need quantitative variables. For that, what we're gonna do is basically uh, just click transform and check automatic recode. Automatic recode. Right click here and just say display the variable Q1. Click it here. I'm saying it capital Q1. Rename it. Okay, it is already Q1 dot, let's say, again it's not taking the name, so I'm saying it question 1. Okay, now it has taken. Read the blank entry set is. Now press paste button. This is the syntax that I got it. What I'm going to do is basically I'm recoding it to just convert the string into numeric case. Select this and press this green button. You will see that it has given code to um, the quantitative variables. The string case is now converted into the quantitative case. Here we can see it in the data. You can see now it has been converted into numeric. So for the other variables we're going to do the same way. Just copy it, paste down. Now I'm going to do Q2 into question 2. Same, copy Q3 into question 3. Same, copy Q4 into question 4. Same, copy Q5 into question 5, and then Q6 into Q7, and then it's Q6, Q7 into question 7, same as Q8 into question 8. Now select all. The first one has been done. Run it. Here you can see that every variable is now converted into a numeric case, because we cannot run statistics with string case. That is why we are going to convert this into numeric. Alright, so now the data is converted from string case to numeric case. I hope you understand it.